was my whistle note? Was it good? Yes.
Thank you for sharing your gift.
Look at the microphones! Fantastic!
Be yourself.
Yes, be kind. Be yourself, be kind. Love who you are and look for the special things in other people too.
Yes, and find beauty in your differences.
Yes.
And the goodness in others.
Yes.
I have an itch. Can I see what you do?
Well, what else am I defying today? Oh my goodness. Many expectations that people had for me. I'm rising above a lot today. It's a big, massive dream come true. This is wild and wonderful.
You are doing it amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I have been changed for good.
Fuerte aplauso para el elenco de Wicked.
Tosando con Kat.
Viste si querías.